Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Lakineni. Now from this video onwards, I am going to prepare video content on Pandas. So Pandas is the most important Python library. So through this Pandas e-lectures, I will prepare complete information with hands-on practical examples from basics to the advanced mode. Definitely, after watching all these videos, you will have a great grip on data analysis in machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. So before watching my Pandas videos lectures, please subscribe to my channel, Learn with Lakineni, so that you will get more hands-on knowledge on the latest emerging technologies. You will get more updates from my side, from my channel. Slowly we are developing all the contents which are related to the machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. In the previous lectures, I have developed NumPy. So NumPy is the entry point into the machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. So with the help of NumPy, then we are going with the next one. So NumPy is an entry. After that, we have a beautiful Python library, which is most fascinating and most important and most attractive for the data analysis, which is nothing but Pandas, in which I'll develop nearly more than 30 to 40 hours of video content, quality video content with clear-cut examples, live examples, industry examples with practical exposure. So please subscribe to my channel, Learn with Lakineni. Thank you. You're all watching my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support. In future, for your point of view, surely I'll develop more content on interesting and emerging technologies. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask the queries. Please reach us through the mail learnwithlakineni.pk@gmail.com. If you have any queries in the video, you please mail us. Definitely we will help you in solving your doubts, and it will help in entering into the machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. It means it will be helpful for your data science. Please subscribe. Okay, so in this video, I will introduce what is a Pandas and what is the importance of Pandas in data analysis. After that, I will start preparing the complete hands-on practical examples on various aspects of Pandas. Okay, so what is a Pandas? A Pandas is a Python inbuilt library. So it is completely built on the top of Python. So one of the most fascinating and most important library in the entire machine learning. There are so many libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn. So there are so many out there. In that, Pandas has its own importance. If you want to do any type of data analysis, you can do data analysis with the help of Pandas. It is the most important commonly used library in data science domain. Very most and commonly used library in the data science. In the data science means all things will come under your machine learning, your deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. Everything comes under data science. So Pandas usually it is a freeware. You are not required to purchase. It is simply freeware. A lot of Python open source community people are working and developed this Pandas. Pandas is a open source library. Pandas is built on the top of NumPy. So that's why in the NumPy videos I explained that before, if you want to enter into the field of data science, definitely everyone should know the basic entry into the machine learning with the help of the basic library, which is nothing but NumPy. So here the Pandas is built on the top of NumPy. So Pandas allows fast analysis, data cleaning, and preparation. So if you have a data set, if you want to train it on the machine learning algorithms, you cannot send the data directly onto the machine learning. So first of all, you have to pre-process the data. You have to analyze the data. You have to understand the data. You have to clean the data. you have to prepare the data for the machine learning to train the machine. So the data should be fit for training. So there are a lot of deficiencies will be there in the data. So before you sending data for the machine, first of all you have to observe it, you have to understand it, you have to transform it, you have to clean it, you have to prepare it. All this comes under data pre-processing. So for the data pre-processing, the wonderful library is Pandas. So pre-processing is a very important step in any machine learning data, any machine learning or deep learning or natural language processing. Without data analysis, without pre-processing, you cannot enter into the machine learning algorithms or deep learning algorithms. So if you want to do anything, so first of all you have to understand and you have to prepare the data for the training. So that means Pandas is the most powerful tool for analysis, data cleaning, and preparation of the data for the training. So now we are going to learn that beautiful package, or you can call it that beautiful library. Sometimes you can call it as a beautiful battery through which you can learn, you can expose so many things about data analysis. You have a plenty of data. Then what is use of having plenty of data unless until if you don't know what is there inside the data? If you want to understand what is there inside the data, you should analyze the data. You should know the insights of the data. So data analysis is very important aspect. If you want to perform exploratory data analysis, Pandas is the best tool for exploratory data analysis. Okay, so Pandas is a built on top of NumPy. It allows fast analysis, data cleaning, and preparation. So performance wise and productivity wise, Pandas is too good to use. It is a fast, it has fast performance and a productivity wise. That means after analysis, getting results from large database, uploading the large database into your in-memory and analyzing those databases and filtering it and selecting the rows, selecting the columns, selecting the required data, everything you can perform easily and productively with the help of Pandas. So that performance wise, productivity wise, Pandas is too good to use. Pandas library has inbuilt data visualization features. If you use NumPy, you can use the NumPy for data analysis. Suppose if you have matplotlib, that is exclusive Python library for visual representation. But when it comes to the Pandas, Pandas has inbuilt data visualization features. That's why Pandas is more powerful, because Pandas has both the features of data analysis and data visualization. Data analysis and data visualization, it has both the features because Pandas is basically built on the top of NumPy. So Python has inbuilt data visualization. Pandas has inbuilt data visualization features. So it can work with data from a widely variety of sources like files, JSON files, .csv files, Excel files. Pandas can work on various type of files. You are storing the data in different formats. The most commonly used format is JSON. And also you have a .csv file. You have an Excel files. There are a lot of files. On majority of the files, Pandas has great efficient in analyzing the data from different types of file sources. So that's why it can work with the data from a wide variety of sources like files. By using Pandas, we can manipulate data easily with less code and in less time. That is the most fascinating feature of Pandas. With the help of Pandas, you can manipulate the data very easily with simple code, with simple syntaxes. You can analyze lot of things hidden in the given data set. You can know the statistical aspects of the data. You can know the column information. You can know the number of rows information. You can describe your data. You can correlate the columns in the data, in the given data. Lot of experiments you can done easily, very efficiently with less code in less time with the help of Pandas. That's why Pandas is a most powerful tool in data analysis and visualization. It has both the features. It can be used for data analysis and it can be used for data visualization because Python Pandas has inbuilt data visualization features. So that's why it is most commonly used library in the entire data science field, and it is also freeware. You are not required to purchase. It is freeware. So many open source community is continuously developing and contributing for the growth of Pandas. It's an open source library. Okay. Suppose with this 10 minutes of discussion, if you observe some few points, NumPy is a data analysis library. No doubt, NumPy is a data analysis, or you can say that a numerical analysis library. When it comes to the matplotlib, this I am going to discuss in the next videos after Pandas. I will also prepare the videos for the matplotlib. This is very beautiful library through which you can do miracles. You can do a lot of beautiful visualizations with the help of matplotlib. This soon I will discuss what is the matplotlib. So it is a purely for data visualization. So having data is different, analyzing the data is different, and presenting what we understand from the data into a beautiful visualization is important. So if you see the visualization patterns, if you see the data in the form of a visualization, so that we can easily understand. So we cannot understand what is there in the data. We cannot go into the depth of the data. So if you can present the data in terms of some patterns or visualization, so that the people can understand, can know what is happening in the inside the data. So for that visualization, Matplotlib is a beautiful library for data visualization. So next, NumPy is only for data analysis. Matplotlib is only for data visualization. Whereas when it comes to the Pandas, it is both a data analysis and a visualization library. So Pandas data analysis is based on NumPy, whereas visualization is based on Matplotlib. That means Pandas has inbuilt features of NumPy and Matplotlib. So in Pandas, data visualization will be done based on the inbuilt NumPy, and data visualization will be based on Matplotlib. So this is the what I am trying to explain about what is a Pandas. So why it is most beautiful, most powerful, because it has both the features of data analysis and data visualization. So from the Pandas inbuilt nodes from the pandas.org, so they have beautifully defined what is a Pandas. So you can see a Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis. The most easy tool to handle a large amount of data within no time, within less time. You can do a lot of things with less code with the help of Pandas. That's why Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool built on the top of Python programming language. This is the best definition for what is a Pandas. So Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool, which is built on the top of the Python programming language. So that is the definition of what is a pandas. In day-to-day life, you are creating a lot of plenty of data. Everywhere you need to analyze the data. If you use the old techniques, you cannot perform good and you cannot reach the expectations of the world. If you want to reach the expectations of the world, you have to quickly analyze the data. If you want to quickly analyze the data, we need fast movement tools. So in which the pandas is the best, fast, powerful, flexible tool, open source tool for analysis and manipulation. So NumPy and pandas together will be used for data manipulation. So if you want to manipulate the data, you need both the help of NumPy and pandas. Suppose if you observe the key features of pandas: fast and efficient data frame object. It has some inbuilt data structures. Because of that inbuilt data structures, it gained that power, that efficiency, that fastness because of inbuilt data frame object with the default and customized indexing. That means you can create the default indexing and you can customize your indexing. So fast and efficient data frame object with the default and customized indexing. Tools for loading data in memory data objects from different file formats. You have different data in different formats. Those different formats can be imported into your pandas for to work with the data. So somewhere I have the data file, I cannot do anything with that file. I need to bring that file into my pandas data frame, into my in-memory data objects. So I can do performance, I can do analysis. So we have tools. So tools for loading data into memory data objects from different file formats. In the same manner, data alignment and integrated handling of missing data. So you can beautifully handle the missing data. When you are collecting the data, sometimes so many data values will be missed. So how to handle the data, missing values, how to fill the missing values, how to eliminate the missing values. Those things can be done happily with the pandas. Reshaping and pivoting of datasets. You can reshape your dataset. You can slice your dataset. You can change the shape of the dataset. You can do so many miracles, so many observations, so many transformations on the datasets with the help of pandas. You can, so if you have thousands of rows, you can slice the rows. You can take any slice, any piece, in any way with the help of label-based indexing, label-based slicing, indexing, subsetting of large datasets. Similarly, you have several columns. Columns from a data structure can be deleted or inserted. You can insert the new columns, you can delete the new columns, you can do many operations. Like SQL, you can do group by data for aggregation and transformations. So as you all know that we can use the group by operations in SQL. In the same manner, it treats the format as a table. On the table, you can apply the groups, aggregations, transformations. High performance merging and joining the data. You can merge, you can join two or more data frames. You can use the pandas in time series analysis, in time series functionalities. These some of the key features made pandas as a robust data analysis and manipulation tool. So definitely you will enjoy all my videos. I will give a lot of information on pandas from basics to the advanced. I'll discuss so many syntaxes, so many various ways of analyzing the data. After completing these videos, you will have a complete grip hands-on experience on what is a pandas and where we can use in real-time problems. Finally, I'll end up with the data structures in Pandas. So the basic, the inbuilt data structures of Pandas is series, data frame, and panel. So these are the main three concepts which are behind the Pandas. So series is a one-dimensional column. It is a one-dimensional. It is used for one-dimensional data analysis. Data frame is a two-dimensional data analysis. You can see a data frame as a series of a set of series objects. A data frame is a two-dimensional. When it comes to the panel, it is a three-dimensional. So only there are three objects: series, data frame, and panel. So here series is nothing but a one-dimensional labeled homogeneous array. Its size is immutable. Once the series is created, it is immutable. When it comes to the data frames, it is a general two-dimensional labeled data structure. Its size is mutable. That means once a data frame is created, you can change the modifications. You can increase the size or you can decrease the size. It just appears like a tabular form. A data frame is nothing but a tabular form in DBMS. So here it has rows and number of columns. That means it is a 2D labeled, size mutable, tabular structure with potential homogeneity typed columns. Okay. And when it comes to the panel, it is a general 3D labeled data structure. Its size is mutable. That means you can change, you can increase, you can decrease. That means they are growable in nature. So series is immutable. It is a one-dimensional data frame, one-dimensional column, which is homogeneous. When it comes to the data frame, it is a two-dimensional. When it comes to the panel, three-dimensional. In the next class, I will explain what is a series, how to create the series object, and what is a data frame, how to create the data frame, what are the various ways of creating the data frames and series. All these things will be explained from part 2 onwards. Hope everyone is understanding my videos. Please watch my videos and understand the concepts which are required for the emerging technologies. At the same time, please subscribe, share our videos so that more people will be benefited, exclusively for the benefit of the students who are aspiring for the emerging area jobs. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching my first video on Pandas. Thank you. Please subscribe to Learn with Lakineni.